Hello folks, one of SoundHound's significant shareholders, Nvidia, is currently hosting its annual GPU Technology Conference or GTC in San Diego. In this video, I'll go over key parts of Jensen Huang's keynote speech that may impact SoundHound's valuation going forward. In addition, I'll talk about today's price action and my forecast for the rest of the week. Before we begin, most of you are not subscribed yet, so please hit that like and subscribe button to get instant updates when I post SoundHound videos. And also, I'm not a financial advisor, so take all my content with a grain of salt and seek professional financial advice if you need to. So in his keynote speech today, Jensen Huang unveiled the new Blackwell GPU, which appears to be a supercharged version of their current Hopper GPU. I'm not really going to go into this because we're interested in voice AI, but all you need to know is that it appears to be the real deal and will probably continue to power the AI revolution that is currently taking place. The most important thing I noticed, or the biggest paradigm shift I noticed from his keynote speech, is AI's continued shift from the computer screen to the real world, especially with the emergence of technologies like digital twin and robotics. Now, what do I mean by this? I think 2023 was the year of the large language model, or LLMs, where you type in a query on your keyboard and you get an answer back on your screen. 2024, on the other hand, appears to be the year of the digital twin, or robotics. Robotics are self-explanatory, but what are digital twins? Digital twins are basically digital copies of real-world processes, objects, or environments. This includes humans. And what was most relevant to SoundHound AI in this keynote speech was this really short snippet of an AI doctor, or digital twin of a real-life doctor, that you can talk to. Have a look at this.
And new levels of patient care.
Doctor, that I am allergic to penicillin. Is it still okay to take the medications?
Definitely. These antibiotics don't contain penicillin, so it's perfectly safe for you to take them.
Now, I'm not saying that the voice AI technology behind this was SoundHound's. I mean, it could have been, but SoundHound was not specifically mentioned, so we can't assume that. What I'm saying is that we are beginning to see a shift away from typing interfaces like ChatGPT to a voice-enabled interface so that you can talk to these digital twins or robots as if they were human.
每一种颜色都能使这款车型焕发出独特的魅力。
我喜欢有质感些的灰色。
非常好的选。
This is where SoundHound comes in, and it is currently applying its proprietary voice AI technology to real-world applications like fast food and vehicles. When it comes to robotics, I think we are clearly seeing some huge advancements as Jensen Huang showcased. But one of the most awkward moments in the speech came towards the end when these two robots appeared on stage with Huang. Huang ordered the robots to come by his side, but only one of the robots obeyed. The green one sort of just froze, and I'm not sure if it was an issue with the voice AI or some other.
Come on, you guys, let's wrap up. Let's go. 5 things. Where are you going? I sit right here. Don't be afraid. Come here, Green. Hurry up. What are you saying? No, it's not time to eat. It's not time to eat. I'll give you a snack in a moment. Let me finish up real quick. Come on, Green, hurry up. Stop wasting time.
I couldn't help but think that if the voice AI were SoundHound's technology, would that issue have occurred? Because I think the voice AI technology that they're using in these robots might be Nvidia's in-house technology. Anyway, if I was the SoundHound CEO, I would be on the phone to Jensen and offering him a better voice AI solution for his robots so that this doesn't happen again, and then ask for a cash injection while he's at it. So that's my take on Jensen Huang's keynote speech as far as voice AI is concerned. Now, unfortunately, it doesn't look like SoundHound is presenting, but there are a few voice AI companies that are. I've never heard of them before, but I might watch their presentations just to learn about them a little bit more. Let's just hope that SoundHound's management is currently so busy signing up new fast food chains that they just couldn't dedicate the time to present at this conference. If you didn't know already, SoundHound CFO came out a few weeks ago and said the company is currently in talks with a top 10 or 15 restaurant franchise. I did some digging and found these companies: McDonald's, Starbucks, Chick-fil-A, Taco Bell, Wendy's, Dunkin' Donuts, Subway, Burger King, Domino's, Chipotle, Panera Bread, Pizza Hut, Sonic Drive and Panda Express, KFC, etc. I have my money on Chipotle, but something bigger like McDonald's would obviously be ideal and a huge game changer. Hopefully we get an announcement soon before the market begins to get impatient. Anyway, let's move on to today's price action. SoundHound fell around 7.5% today, but on a positive note, it was on lower volume, and because it's a Monday, I'm not that concerned. Usually these bullish stocks tend to sell off early in the week and rally to close it out. I think the selling was mainly due to paper hands taking profits before the Fed statement on Wednesday, which may cause some volatility in the stock market. And people in general just seem to be getting nervous about an impending correction in the stock market because it's just run up so hard year to date. And I sort of agree. I personally think the Nasdaq may fall 5 to 10% over the next week or two. I'm still shorting Nasdaq futures as a hedge and will probably wait to hear Jerome Powell speak on Wednesday before taking further action. When it comes to SoundHound, I think we may currently be forming a high tide flag or an ascending wedge, sort of like what happened 2 weeks ago. I think we may bounce around this wedge over the next few days before hopefully breaking out to $10 on Thursday or Friday. Now, this is not a recommendation to buy, hold, or sell the stock. This is just my opinion only, and it is up to you to make your own decision. With that said, I'm not selling my shares anytime soon because SoundHound's trend is up, we're in a bull market, and AI is the hottest sector right now. Because of these three factors, I feel that SoundHound is more likely to keep going higher in the coming weeks and possibly months. I really don't like to trade in and out of volatile stocks like this because I may end up losing my position. Anyway, thanks for watching, and if you like this video, please hit that like and subscribe button to get daily SoundHound updates, and see you tomorrow.